Welcome to my Dead Muffin Art channel. Here is a beautiful drawing of the ducks. First you made the body of the ducks with clay. By using the clay you knead the body of the two ducks and also make the neck. And after that make the tissue papers in front of the duck's body and then made the legs by using the pen or pointer. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Creating a detailed drawing requires concentration, patience, and the ability to work through challenges. Mastering shading brings depth and realism to your drawing. Start experimenting by drawing simple shapes and turning them into more complex ideas. Learning to draw is a journey that takes time and dedication, but with practice